Good day. I'm Arsenio Nicolas Jr. and together with my groupmates, Jase, Miguel, Asuncion, Andrei, Insigne, JM Vitug, and James Luigi Capuz, we created a website that is catered for the needs of our client, Hobbies by KMMK. The services they offer are mostly music-related stuffs like vinyls, CDs, and cassettes, and toys like Legos and action figures. We use their brand colors, which are black and yellow, so it matches the logo. We also use imusic.co as an inspiration website's design because number one, it is user-friendly, two, similar to the business that Hobbies by KMMK offer, and lastly, it is requested by our client. Since our client is easily contactable, we were able to do our project properly. So let's now move forward to the login sections where users can log in. As you can see in the login, we use the slogan of our client, which is from music to toys and everything in between. Start your collector's journey with us. Going back, on the right side is a login page. Users can either log in or create an account. For example, let's create an account. For the password, no, since this account is already created, we will not create an account, but I'll show you how it was confirmed by our email. Here. As you can see, confirm your email address, start building with Google. Since it's already confirmed, we will not click this. Now going back, let us sign in the account that we used to sign up. There, as you can see, it created an account for the user. Now let's try for the admin. Since the admin's account is hard coded in the program, we should just sign it in. There, there you can see the account of the admin has been signed up.
So moving on to the admin section of the KMMK website. So first we have the dashboard overview. So here we can see the total products, the revenue, the pending orders, recent orders, and their stocks. It actually shows which stocks needs attention. For example, uh, these stocks right here are considered as low stock since they only have 5 units or less. Then let's proceed to the inventory management. So here we can see the products that we have added in the inventory, and we can sort them by their status, such as active or inactive. And then we can also edit. For example, let's change this into inactive. So there. Then we can also filter them based on their product name. So for example, Olivia Dean. There. And then we can also try adding a product. So let's add this. And we can also add an image so that the customers can see the product that they are buying. So save product. So now we have successfully added a product in the inventory. So next we have the order and transactions. So here we can see the pending orders and the transactions that we have done. So here we did some testing with the transaction. So we can view the transaction, you can see the details right here, and update the status whether it's pending, processed, completed, or cancelled. and we can also change it right here. And then we can also sort them by their status, such as pending, paid, shipped, or cancelled, and as well as search search them by their customer or the order ID. So for example, let's search Andrei there. Then moving on to the content or control forms. So here we can edit the store name, their email, the currency, and then the low stock threshold, which was shown earlier, the tax rate, and flat shipping fee. And we can also open the product table and the orders table in this section. And then lastly, we have the manage admin. Here we can create, the manager can create new users or manager accounts for their future employees, if ever. So let's try testing. So subadmin groove. So we have successfully created another manager account for this website.
So hello everyone. For our homepage serves as the main entry point of our website where visitors can quickly understand what the store offers and easily navigate the different sections. At the very top of the page, we have the navigation bar. This includes the store logo, the main menu options such as home, shop, about, contact, and on the right side, users can also see icons for their account and shopping cart. Below the navigation bar is the hero section, which is the first thing that the user sees when they visit the website. It features a large background image of vinyl records that reflects the theme of our store. Now we display the title Hobbies by KMMK along with a short tagline from music, toys, and everything in between. Under the title, there are two important call to action buttons. The first button is the browse collection, which directs users to the shop page where they can view all the available products. The second button is the contact us that allows the users to quickly reach the store for inquiries or support. As the users scroll down, they will see the shop by category section. This section organizes the products into different categories so users can easily find what they are looking for. The categories include uh, all items, vinyl records, CDs, cassettes, guitar and effects, and Lego and figures. Further down the homepage, we have the About Us section. This part introduces the store and explains that Hobbies by KMMK is a buy and sell music and collectible store based in Taytay Rizal, Philippines. It also highlights the type of products that the store specializes in. In this section, we also provide important contact and store informations. Users can see the store's email address, as well as the links to the store's Facebook page, carousel account, and etc. Finally, at the bottom of the page, we have the footer, which displays the store name and copyright information for the website. That is all.
Good day to everyone. Today I'll walk you through the interactive products section of our Hobbies by KMMK e-commerce platform, the heart of our online store for vinyl, CDs, collectibles, and more. So let's dive into the key features and buttons. First is we have the category navigation button. So these 6 icon buttons let customers filter products by type. So I have all, vinyl, CDs, cassettes, guitar and effects, and lastly are the Lego and figures. So you can go to vinyl. Okay, so this was the product that was added before and was discussed by the admin. So if you click, let's try vinyl, or let's try Lego and figures. Okay, it highlights and auto scrolls to the products and filters the grid below dynamically. Each has a hover effect and smooth scroll for great UX. So this. Next is for the search input. So if we type arc, or let's just cancel that, Arctic. Okay, it instantly filters products by name or category. It's also real time as you type, powered by client side filtering. Next is this sort drop down, which we have 3 options. which is a featured the price low to high and price high to low. So let's exit this search. Once we type this, okay, we can see the way it's sorted out. It is good for easy shopping, so it's really convenient. And next is we have the stock filter buttons, which is this center one. It is perfect for buyers wanting available items only, so you can see what items are in the stock. And also
Okay. So this is for the checkout feature demonstration. And the first thing I would be demonstrating is adding a product to cart. So in this example, the customer is already logged in to their account, so they're not using the website as a guest. Then I will start by selecting a product from the store. For example, I will use this item, then add to cart. Now, as you can see, there is a notification when you added a product to your cart. Another one is this one. Wait, no more. Sorry. This one. Then can also once you click the cart icon, you can already see the order summary, your order products in your cart. And then you can also add or subtract products from your orders, and can only add if there is available stock in the store. You can also delete some. And then along with this, there's also a total amount that you would pay, or the total amount that the order you have. Now, when you already decided with the order, in order to proceed to checkout, just click that, you will be directed to the checkout page. Now, in the checkout page, there is another order summary with their cost and total of the order. And then along with this is the details that you need to fill in for the payment and delivery, and for the um, store to deliver. So let's put an example, my name. And then the email would be put in automatically since you already logged into our account. If not, then the guest would not be able to check out anything since they're not logged in into any account. Then your phone number or Viber. And then Facebook profile link. This is optional since the store would contact you through Facebook or phone. So either one of them is required. So it's optional for the Facebook and the notes. Still. Then once you're already done filling up the details and you already want to submit the order, place the order, you just need to click this button. And then a confirmation would pop up saying if you are you sure you want to place this order? You are already sure you want to place the order, just click the OK button, and that's it. Order submitted will reach out to you via Facebook or the contact details you provided to confirm your order and arrange payment. Then you can go back to store again and browse for it. Now in the Supabase or our database, once you order, the store would be able to see the orders that you placed, which is this one. It would store the ID of the order, and then the user ID, and then the total of the total cost that you ordered, and then when it is created and the status, if it's pending or already delivered, shipped. And then another table is the order items. This shows or this stores the products that you have ordered, which stores the ID of the order items, and then order ID, then the product ID, and the quantity of it. So basically, that's the checkout feature for our website, Hobbies by KMM.